If your interior trim never fits properly after you remove it, this is probably why. When I refitted the centre dash trim on my Land Cruiser, I noticed it still wasn't sitting quite right. Turns out one of the retaining clips was missing. These trims rely on all the clips being present to sit flush and secure properly. Miss just one and you'll end up with gaps, rattles or loose trim. Luckily they're cheap to replace. I picked up a pack of 10 replacement retaining clips for just over £4. To fix it, pop the trim back off carefully, fit the missing clip into the correct position, then line the trim back up and press it back into place. Now it sits properly again. Small detail, but worth checking anytime you remove interior trim.